Good morning, friends. How are you today? So today we are going to make Play-Doh. So we're going to make our own Play-Doh that you guys can have at home with some items that you can find around your house. So first what you're going to need is a bowl. Your bowl so we can mix it. I picked two types of spoons. This one's a scraper and this one's a spoon. That way I can stir it and then scrape the sides if I need to. I also need a small spoon. I need food coloring, and the reason why I have two is because we're going to mix color. We're going to see what color red and blue makes. And then we need 1 cup of water, and the water is hot. I don't know if you guys can see, there's actually steam coming out of it. Can you see that steam that's rising out? It's very, very hot, so you'll want to make sure that your parents are helping you when you try and pour the water in, because you have to have very hot water and it can hurt you. We also need 1 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the flour and the salt. So we have flour and salt, and look at that. This one's 1 cup and this is a 1/2 cup. So this one here is half of this big one here. So which one do you think is bigger? This one on the right or this one on the left? That's right, this one's bigger. And this one is smaller. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put that into my bowl. So I'm going to put the flour in first, and then I'm going to put the salt in. And then I am going to put, looks like I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix that all together. So I have my spoon here and I am just mixing my salt and my flour together. So here we go. So now it's all mixed together. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our really hot water. I'm going to take my red food coloring and I'm going to add it into my water. Can you see the red in there? I think I'll add a couple more drops. So what color is it again? You're right, it's red. Now I'm going to take this color. What color is this? Blue. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add blue to our red. Do you think it will change colors? Okay, we'll see. So here we go. And I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to stir it up. And I don't know if you can tell, but it has now made the color. Can you see it? Kind of hard. But when you mix blue and red together, it makes the color purple. So, blue and red, teacher got mixed up. It makes purple when you mix them together. So it's kind of hard to tell, but this is purple. Hopefully you'll be able to see it once we start adding it to our flour. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now remember, the water is hot, so have your parent help you. So we are going to add our oil into the flour. And now I'm going to add my water into my flour bowl. And then I'm just gonna take my spoon and I'm gonna actually keep it on the table here because I don't want to spill it all over the place because the water is very, very hot. And I'm just gonna mix it and mix it and mix it up. Can you see now what color it turned? Kind of weird. See here. See? Now it's purple. And I'm just going to keep mixing it. And I think I might have to add, you may have to add a little bit more flour because it's still a little wet. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go get some flour. I'm back. Alrighty. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit more flour to it. Mix it up. Just so it starts to not be sticky. Keep adding it. Stirring. You'll definitely get a workout with your arm from all the stirring, so you may really need your parent to help you. Gonna add a little bit more flour. Still kind of wet. Can you guys hear my dog snoring? Oh, he's snoring so loud. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. Now it's starting to come together. Whew. Such a workout today. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna put it in my hand. Put it in my hand here. That way I can show you guys. Now I have a Play-Doh ball. So if you need to add more flour to it, you may want to add more, depends on how thin or thick you want it. This is actually, I probably added about a half a cup more of flour to it, but now I'm starting to get that molding where consistency where I can mold out my dough. So it's kind of like a light purple. So that's a project for you. I sent an email out about 2 weeks ago on how to do the painting DIYs, the do-it-yourself, so you can find it in the email. Or if you need me to re-email it to me, just let me know. But I hope you guys enjoy this activity at home. Teacher Erica and Teacher Sonia really miss you, and we hope to see you soon. All right. Bye guys. Have fun making your Play-Doh.